Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, we have a very exciting video that I am so excited to share with you guys. I have a package from Dog Friendly Co. You will also hear Rocky, my little bulldog, in the background. Obviously this is for him, so he is very excited for me to open this up. So of course, I want to give a big shout out to Dog Friendly Co. for gifting this to me and Rocky. So they have also so kindly, I can't even speak today, so kindly also offered a discount code, which is NickLisa15. So definitely, if you want to purchase anything from their website, add that discount code to save money. Who doesn't love that? So I believe I purchased a large size harness, so I hope it fits, but already love the packaging. And I went with basic black. So did I not get a patch? Wait, oh, it's in here. Okay, oh, I love it, so cute. All right, so first of all, wow, the quality feels so nice. This is like a neoprene feeling like handle. I really like that, and I like how it has the bungee cord. This is some serious, like, very serious clip. Wow. I feel like for Rocky, I definitely won't need to like bring that up. He is not like a big puller when he walks, so I do like that. That's actually like an amazing safety thing that I've never seen before. And of course the harness, did I get a large? Is that what I got a medium. Okay, so medium harness. They do come with this little Dog Friendly Co patch on it. You simply take it off and you can get your custom patches put on. How cute. Oh, I'm so excited to see this on him. I was also scared that I made a spelling mistake, but no, I didn't. I also want to tell you, so on their website, if you are looking to purchase this, they actually do have different packs which you can choose from to obviously save money as well, which I do love that they do this. So I got with these two items, this is the signature kit, so it's the harness, leash and the custom name patch. Currently it is on sale. It is usually $119, but it is on sale for $89. So definitely check out the website. I will link everything down below. Rocky's here. So you can grab a bargain yourself, but I'm going to put this on Rocky. Fingers crossed it fits him, and then show you what it looks like on him. So give me a second. Bulldog. Rocky, sit down. So as you could see by that last clip, it fits him so well. It looks so good on. The lead, the harness, everything about it feels so luxurious and high quality. And honestly, I have previously just had a Kmart harness for him, and now I understand why I see these harnesses everywhere. They are a game changer, and honestly 100% worth the money. So I cannot recommend getting this harness and lead set enough. Honestly, it is so amazing. So definitely check out the website. As I said, link down below. Use my discount code. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.